But its nest is my glove. I can't play baseball without it. What am I supposed to do now?
Snoopy! Woodstock is using Charlie Brown's mitt as a nest. You need to get it back.
They say things look better if you keep your chin up. So far, it's not working. Thank you, Snoopy.
Hey! That's my blanket! You need to get my blanket back. Maybe I don't need my blanket after all. Thank you, Snoopy! So, how did you get my blanket back?
Hey! That's Snoopy! You took my dollhouse without asking permission. Why don't you use your own stuff instead?